frontier. These are the voyages of our meteorology segments, our continuing mission to provide intelligent analysis of things like weather phenomenon, to seek out new maps and new sources of lightning, to boldly go where YouTube fraudsters are unable because they're hacks. Anyway, here's the NASA GOES lightning mapper. Quite a bit of lightning here around the U.S.-Mexico border and around the Gulf and around the Caribbean, and a little bit even over eastern Pennsylvania. And by the way, we're located right about there in Lehigh Valley, if you're wondering. Here's a real-time lightning map from lightningmaps.org, powered by blitzachtung.org. And yes, Nordic languages are awesome. Thanks everybody who leaves comments about the pronunciation of blitzachtung.org. So we've got some lightning here north of Houston. Hey, Lufkin, you got a severe thunderstorm to your west. Hey, Jacksonville. Hey, Palestine, Texas. There's thunder. You're surrounded by thunder and lightning. Not necessarily in that order. Anyway, there's your real-time lightning map. Let's continue on here to check out pressure cells. There's where pressure is currently located. And we'll let this advance into tomorrow. Windy.com, they got a great mobile app as well, by the way, folks. Maybe check that out. And don't forget to check our links. smAsho.org will redirect you to smAsho.com. Today's featured product is the Google Bias shirt. You can find that by clicking on the smAsho merch link on the homepage. There's where we expect pressure to be tomorrow at noon, according to the European forecast. Now we're looking at sea surface temperature anomaly. As a tropical system approaches Florida, Florida is surrounded by cold water. You see all this? If you're worried about global warming, well, why is the Gulf and the southwestern Atlantic so darn cold? Anyway, those features will not help to strengthen this system approaching Florida. Let's zoom out and show you sea surface temperature anomaly for the whole planet. How about that? It's from nullschool.net, by the way. There is the sea surface temperature anomaly for the Western world. And let's look at the Eastern world as well, just to see how hot the planet might happen to be. Oh my God, it looks so hot. Oh my God. Anyway, there's sea surface temperature anomaly for the East. Let's look at the stuff we normally look at on these segments. The surface winds. So there are the surface winds, powerful cyclone here off of the southwestern coast of Australia, as well as one just north of New Zealand. So two powerful lows there around Oceania. Here are the jet streams of the east, still blowing backward over the northern Indian Ocean, I might add. And we've got a powerful upper level low here in the central Pacific. Let's see the western world's jet streams. Quite chaotic in the northern hemisphere on both sides of the planet. Multiple eddies here. We've got two anticyclones and two cyclones here feeding off of each other, creating a southwesterly oriented jet stream here over the central Atlantic. And there you can see that upper level low here between the Bahamas and Florida right now. You will not see that reflected in the surface winds, as dry massive air has been putting a squelch on the system, as well as the anomalously cold water. Here's the weather.gov map. Check it out yourself at weather.gov if you like. Tropical Tidbits is down. We can't show you any forecasts there. But we can show you the U.S. Doppler radar map, and we've got some strong storms moving out of Texas right now, moving to the easternmost portion of Texas and about to strike Louisiana, also about to strike Mississippi from Louisiana. Some odd storms here in northern Mexico as well. Pennsylvania getting some strong storms in the central part of the state, moving up toward places like upstate New York. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer, and you can see this Counterclockwise rotating upper level low here. Looking weak. It's going to make some weather for Florida, but it may not be what you think. And it's all being squelched by this dry mass of air. This dry mass of air is having a corralling effect on this low pressure, and it's preventing major convection from ramping up, as well as, of course, that cold water around Florida not helping the convective forces that make major storms build. Anyway, here is the U.S. Doppler radar map one more time to recap. Here's the cloud layer. And here's the water vapor. Thanks for tuning in to our meteorology segment. A normal feature now here at the Smash News Network. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the least busted name in news.